Have a note in Notebook LM that you no longer need? Whether it's an old summary, a draft, or a saved response, you can remove it to keep your notebook organized. Start by opening the notebook that contains the note you want to delete. Next, go to the Notes section in the Studio panel. Find the note you want to remove and hover over its title. A menu option should appear next to the note. Click the three-dot menu and select Delete Note. Once confirmed, the note will be removed from your notebook. If you regularly create notes while researching or studying, deleting outdated notes can make it easier to focus on the information that still matters. Keep in mind that deleted notes may not be recoverable, so make sure you no longer need the content before removing it. And that's how to delete notes inside a notebook in Notebook LM.